Hey, Nicole, so what you're going to want to do is when you go to U-Online and you get into the spring semester, go to Advanced Search. And when you go to Advanced Search, you're going to want to just click on Everything. And then go to Advanced Studies, Section Search. And you will get all the advanced studies in all the different departments. So what you're going to want to look at is, not just the times work, but if there's anything remaining. So for example, this anthropology class, human trafficking, has no spots. So look for the ones that have spots remaining, see what seems interesting to you. I think I mentioned the math one, which is down here in math. Again, I'm not so sure. They've got 2 spots left if that's a heavy math one. So, but that's how you find advanced studies.